Using a credit card wisely is essential to maintaining good financial health and avoiding debt. The first step is to understand how credit cards work. A credit card is a type of loan where the card issuer lends you money to make purchases, and you pay back the amount borrowed plus interest. To use your credit card wisely, start by setting a budget and tracking your expenses. Make a list of all your necessary expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries, and prioritize them. Then, consider your discretionary spending, such as dining out or entertainment, and allocate a specific amount for these expenses. Next, choose the right credit card for your needs. Consider the interest rate, annual fee, and rewards program. If you plan to carry a balance, look for a card with a low interest rate. If you pay your balance in full each month, consider a card with a rewards program that aligns with your spending habits. When using your credit card, make sure to pay your bill on time and in full if possible. This will help you avoid interest charges and late fees. If you cannot pay your bill in full, pay as much as you can and make sure to pay more than the minimum payment. It is also important to keep your credit utilization ratio low. This means keeping your outstanding balance below 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. Another key concept is the credit card grace period. This is the time between the end of the billing cycle and the payment due date. If you pay your bill in full during this time, you will not be charged interest. However, if you do not pay your bill in full, interest will be charged from the date of purchase. To get the most out of your credit card, take advantage of the rewards program. Use your card for everyday purchases, such as groceries or gas, and earn points or cash back. You can also use your card for larger purchases, such as travel or electronics, and earn rewards or discounts. Finally, monitor your credit report regularly to ensure it is accurate and up to date. You can request a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. Review your report for errors or inaccuracies, and dispute any incorrect information. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your credit card wisely and maintain good financial health. Remember to always pay your bill on time. Keep your credit utilization ratio low, and take advantage of the rewards program. With responsible credit card use, you can build credit, earn rewards, and achieve your financial goals.